Today we're tackling a question that many of you have asked. Can you connect an Apple Watch to an Android phone? Let's find out. First things first, the Apple Watch is designed specifically to work with iPhones. This means you won't be able to pair it directly with an Android device. The pairing process requires the Apple Watch app, which is exclusive to iOS, so right off the bat, it's a no go for Android users. Even if you have somehow managed to connect the two devices through workarounds, you'll run into major limitations. Features like notifications, app synchronization, and health tracking are all tied to the Apple ecosystem. Essentially, most of the functionality you want from an Apple Watch would be lost. So, what can you do? One option is to use an older iPhone. If you have access to one, you can set up your Apple Watch with it and then use it independently. This way, you can still track your fitness and receive notifications, but it won't integrate with your Android phone. Another alternative is to consider other smartwatches that are compatible with Android devices brands like Samsung, Fitbit, and those running Google's Wear OS are great choices if you're looking for seamless functionality with your Android phone. Some users may look for third-party apps that claim to connect Apple Watches to Android. However, these solutions are often limited and can be frustrating to use. We recommend sticking to devices that are designed to work together for the best experience. So there you have it. Connecting an Apple Watch to an Android phone is not possible, and trying to do so will lead to a subpar experience. If you're set on using an Apple Watch, consider staying within the Apple ecosystem. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.